Cancer is a disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Because of this, it is important to be aware of some of the things that can cause this deadly disease. In this video, we're going to discuss 10 cancer-causing foods that you should avoid. So let's get started. Number 1. Processed meats. These are meats that have been preserved by smoking, canning, or by adding preservatives. Some examples of processed meats include hot dogs, bacon, sausages, ham, and deli meats. These meats contain nitrates which are added to increase their shelf life. These nitrates can become cancer-causing chemicals, especially when they are found in large amounts in the body. They also contain high amounts of salt and fat, which can promote the growth of cancer cells in the body. Processed meats have been linked to an increased risk of colorectal and pancreatic cancer. Hence, they should not be eaten perpetually. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as carcinogenic to humans, meaning they are known to cause cancer in humans. To reduce the risk of cancer associated with processed meats, it is recommended to limit consumption or avoid them altogether. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Drinks such as soda, energy drinks, and sports drinks contain high amounts of sugar, which has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast and colon cancer. It can lead to weight gain and obesity, which is a known risk factor for several types of cancer. Consuming high amounts of sugary drinks can also lead to insulin resistance and high blood sugar levels, which have been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. Sugary drinks may also contain additives, such as artificial colors and flavors, that have been linked to cancer in animal studies. It is recommended to limit consumption of sugary drinks and opt for healthier alternatives such as water, unsweetened tea, and low-fat milk. Number 3. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are carbohydrates that have been stripped of their natural fibers and nutrients. Some examples are white bread, white rice, pasta, noodles, and so on. These foods can spike blood sugar and increase cancer risk. Refined carbohydrates are often low in fiber, which is an important nutrient that helps to regulate digestion and remove waste from the body. A lack of fiber in the diet has been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. They can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to insulin resistance and the development of chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation can damage DNA, disrupt cellular processes, and cause cancer. Consuming high amounts of refined carbs may also lead to weight gain and obesity, which is a known risk factor for several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer. Number 4. Charred meats. Charred meats are meats that are slightly burnt because they are cooked at high temperatures. Some examples include caramelized steak, barbecued chicken, grilled toast, etc. Cooking meats at high temperatures can create carcinogenic compounds such as heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAH. These compounds are formed when the amino acids and creatinine in meat are heated to high temperatures, and they have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. It is recommended to use low-temperature cooking methods such as baking, stewing, or poaching, or consider marinating meat in a mixture containing vinegar, citrus, or herbs before cooking, which can help reduce the formation of carcinogenic substances. It is also important to cut off excess fat from meat before cooking, and avoid consuming drippings from cooked meat, as these may contain higher levels of carcinogenic substances. Are you enjoying the video? If you are, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. 5. Artificial sweeteners. These are sugar substitutes that are often used in diet drinks and snacks. They are often seen as healthier alternatives to sugar. Foods and drinks that are said to have zero sugar are most likely filled with these artificial sweeteners. While they may seem like a healthy alternative to sugar, they can depress the immune system, cause cardiovascular diseases, and they have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Artificial sweeteners may also increase the risk of cancer through the formation of harmful compounds when they are metabolized in the body. In place of artificial sweeteners, take natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup when possible. Maintaining a healthy and balanced diet is important for reducing the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Number 6. Alcohol. Alcohol contains a carcinogenic compound called acetaldehyde. This compound creates a suitable environment for cancer cells to grow and thrive. Alcohol intake has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast, liver, and colon cancer. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to liver damage and inflammation, which can increase the risk of liver cancer. Additionally, alcohol consumption can impair the body's ability to absorb and use certain nutrients, such as folate, which are important for DNA repair and can further increase the risk of cancer. It is recommended to limit alcohol consumption to moderate levels, up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men, to reduce the risk of cancer and other health problems associated with excessive alcohol consumption. Number 7. Fried foods. Fried foods, especially those that are deep-fried or cooked at high temperatures, can produce harmful compounds that have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. When foods are fried, they are typically cooked in oil or fat, which can also contribute to the development of cancer. Consuming large amounts of fried foods can lead to an unhealthy diet, which may increase the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic diseases that are also associated with an increased risk of cancer. These foods are often high in fat and calories. This can lead to weight gain, which is a risk factor for cancer. When foods are fried in high temperatures, they undergo certain changes which can alter the composition of the food. Fried foods also contain acrylamide, which is a chemical that has been linked to cancer. To reduce the risk of cancer associated with fried foods, it is recommended to limit consumption and choose healthier cooking methods such as baking, broiling, or boiling. It is also important to choose oils with a high smoke point, such as canola or peanut oil, and to avoid reusing oil or consuming burnt or charred food. Number 8. Red meat. Eating too much red meat such as beef, pork, and lamb has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. Red meat contains saturated fat and cholesterol, which can contribute to the development of heart disease and other health problems that are associated with an increased risk of cancer. Number 9. Canned foods. Canned foods usually contain bisphenol A, also known as BPA. It is a chemical that has been linked to cancer. This BPA is used to line cans, and it can leach into canned food, enter the body when ingested, and increase one's chance of developing cancer. Number 10. Hydrogenated oils. These are oils that have been chemically modified to be more stable and have a longer shelf life. They are often found in processed foods and have been linked to several types of cancer. By making simple changes to your lifestyle and diet, you can reduce your risk of developing cancer. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this information valuable and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Also, don't forget to share this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. See you next time.